Chris here from Kegworks. Today we're going to show you how to pour Czech-style beers using a LUKR side pull faucet with the help of our friends at the Beer Keep. We're at one of our favorite local places to grab a beer in Buffalo, New York, the Beer Keep. Justine is one of their excellent bartenders, and today she's going to show us how to use the LUKR side pull faucet.
Hi everyone, there are three main pours I'll be showing you today. The Haldinka, the Schnit, and the Molico. They take a little practice to get right, but once you do, you and your customers can enjoy authentic pours of Czech pilsners.
Ready to pour some beer?
Let's do it.
First, let's talk about some of the differences between a side pull faucet and a standard faucet. As the name suggests, the handle is attached in a horizontal position instead of a vertical position. You're able to turn the handle part way to control the flow of the beer, compared to a standard faucet, which only allows you to stop and start the flow. The real magic behind the side pull faucet is a micro screen that aerates the beer to create a creamy wet foam and has a smooth texture packed with flavor and aroma from the hops.
First, the Haldinka. This pour is comparable to your standard pour in the States. It gives you a balanced mix of the bitterness and sweetness in the beer and is around half beer and half foam. Start by washing out your glass, making sure it's nice and clean, and then bringing it to a 45-degree angle underneath the tap, opening up the tap slightly to get that foam, and then opening it all the way to bring the beer, submerging the tap to fill the beer underneath that foam. Next, the Schnit. This is a smaller pour but uses a regular size beer mug and is roughly 1 part beer and 2 parts foam. It is a refreshing pour that leaves you more room to enjoy food alongside it. Start by cleaning out that glass, bringing the glass underneath the tap at a 45-degree angle, and then opening up the tap slightly to start filling with that creamy white foam. Once you're about 2/3 of the way, you can open up the tap fully to fill from the bottom until the glass is about 3/4 of the way full. Lastly, the Molico, which is a mug full of sweet and creamy wet foam that really shows off the hops and aromatics in a Czech pilsner. This is traditionally enjoyed as a dessert beer that you sip quickly. Sanitize the glass, bringing it to a 45-degree angle, slightly open up to get that foam, and then we're just going to fill the entire glass with this nice creamy foam. Bring it under submerged so it fills from the bottom. The Molico.
There you have 3 Czech-style pours.
Take some time to practice and get familiar with these pours so you and your customers can enjoy an authentic Czech pilsner.
Head to Kegworks.com to get everything you need to serve perfect Czech-style beers. And if you're in the Buffalo area, head over to the Beer Keep and try some of these yourself. Cheers.
Cheers.